Hey, Harshal Jadhav this side, and in this video, we'll go over how to create interactive lead generation quizzes that skyrocket leads, boost conversions for any niche using gamified lead generation technology. Old lead generation opt-in forms, welcome mats, and pop-ups don't perform well anymore. On the other hand, quizzes engage and capture audience attention and build your list much faster. So let's dive inside Quiz Target to show you how easily you can create lead generation quizzes, get more leads and get more traffic. Once you're logged into the cloud-based dashboard, you will find tons of done-for-you quizzes already made for you. You can either create quiz campaigns from scratch, you can start with a done-for-you campaign. Simply copy any done-for-you campaign and start working to save your time. For the demo, let's go ahead and create a campaign from scratch. In the first step, you need to add a campaign name and select a type of campaign you want to create. Now we have 4 types of campaigns over here. The first one is the assessment quiz, where you can test knowledge of respondents on a particular topic. Then the second one is the famous personality quizzes that people love, like which superhero are you? Third one is the score quiz, where every question will have points associated with it. Plus, you can also create poll campaigns. Let's choose assessment. Once you select it, you will be taken to a themes page where you can select the appropriate theme for your campaign. You can check all the themes from here. There are multiple theme customizations available, which we will look into shortly. Let's just go ahead and select this one, and you will be taken to a drag and drop quiz builder page. Now here all the magic happens. Here, as you can see, start quiz and first question is already added for you. You can add as many questions as you want from here. Plus, you can add multiple lead forms to generate leads at any point of time. You can add CTA forms to drive traffic or simply end the quiz using add results tab using this button. To save time, I have taken a done for you quiz to explain further. As you can see, this is fully drag and drop, and you can easily control the user journeys as per their answers. In here, if someone gives an answer 1 or 2 to the first question, they will be taken to question number 2. Similarly, if they select answer number 3, they will be taken to different route in order to ask them more relevant questions and segment them in a different list altogether. You can edit this connection at any point of time. You can edit them, you can change this connection as you want. Now you can easily zoom in and zoom out to make more space for larger quizzes. Plus you can delete or add question, lead form, CTA at any point of time. Adding your questions is an easy process too. Just click on this edit button over here and you will find all the options to do so. Like you can either ask multiple choice questions or open-ended questions. You can add images, GIFs, videos, audio to your question using this section, as well as you can upload your own images. Then you can easily add or delete answer options. Plus you can switch between image and text answers very easily. Similar to questions, you can add images, GIFs to your answers using this button. Now in this tab, you can define which answer is correct as well as enable multiple answers if necessary. Plus you can add a particular time frame for taking any question as well as make it skippable. So you have full control over all the things. Let's jump into the lead form where the lead generation happens. Here you have 4 options available. You can either generate email list, phone number list, add to messenger list, or simply ask them to use social login to get their valid social email IDs from Facebook and Google. Now similar to questions, you can add images, GIFs, video to your lead generation forms as well as upload your own images. Now lead generation forms are fully GDPR compliant and all the necessary arrangements have been added to comply with GDPR rules. Now once you set up everything and once your lead form is ready, you can connect it to your favorite autoresponder using this connect section. We support more than 24 autoresponders and webinar integrations along with Zapier on the Pro version. Now let's check how you can change the theme settings. For that, you just need to click on this settings button over here. Here you will find all the options to edit your current theme, such as you can change how text should appear, like text font, text color, text weight, Similarly, you can change how your button should appear. Now, in this tab, you can change how question and answer screen appears. This background tab lets you change the background. You can either select color or image as a background. If you select image, you will be able to select any background image from Usein, Pexels, Pixabay, Unsplash, or upload your own background image. Then comes the transition effect. This is an important feature for increasing engagement of your quiz. It lets you select in and out effect for the question transitions while respondents are taking your quiz. Then the last option is branding. It lets you add your own logo to the quiz and select a position where it should appear. To make the quiz more fun and entertaining, you can add music to your quiz. You can select background music to play always, or you can select the right or wrong music from here. You can upload your own music too. Plus, Quiz Target lets you capture audiences inside FB and Google too, so you can show your ads or retarget people based on their responses or if they have completed the quiz or not. You just need to add your pixels over here and it will be added to your quiz. So once you edit and customize your quiz, you can click on this publish button to start promoting your quiz on your website or social media right away. Here you can see the final preview of the quiz you just created, and if necessary you can go back and edit the quiz till you get the results you want. Now there are multiple embed options available, such as you can embed on any page builder or your own website with a simple copy paste of a code. You can add your quiz as a pop-up, or you can add your quiz as a sticky announcement bar on top. Or you can simply create a hosted link for your quiz to share with your clients, or start sharing your quiz on social media right away. So get access to Quiz Target at earliest and start generating leads faster than ever before.
You want to build your list and make easy money online, right? But you're tired of creating content, free reports, and lead magnets. Are you frustrated because no matter what you do, people just are not engaging on your landing pages, not subscribing to your lists or webinars, and not buying? What if there was a much easier, faster, and brand new way to build your list and make sales online starting today? If you haven't already noticed, thousands of marketers are using simple little quizzes to drive traffic, opt-ins, and sales right now. Why? Because quizzes are proven to boost opt-ins by up to 78%, and on average, quizzes get shared almost 1,900 times. Not only do people love taking quizzes, but will happily give you their email address to see the results and scores from your quiz, and share their quiz results on social media, bringing even more traffic to your quiz for free. The problem is, in the past, quizzes were very difficult to build. You need coding and design skills, and you need to spend days trying to figure out the best type of quiz and the right questions to ask. Not anymore. Quiz Target is a brand new lead generation tool that allows you to create traffic-getting, money-making quizzes in seconds. In a few simple clicks, you can deploy an irresistible quiz on your landing pages or on your website, capturing people's emails and building your list today. No need to create free reports, no need to create lead magnets, and no need to spend loads of money and waste your time anymore. Now, you can build your list and monetize it with engaging multimedia quizzes that the whole world is going nuts for right now. As you're about to find out, Quiz Target is the most powerful, easy to use, and affordable quiz maker available today. The best part? Quiz Target won't just build your list, it will help you make a lot of money too. How? By showing targeted offers based on people's answers, your sales can quickly explode like never before. With Quiz Target, it couldn't be easier to create these traffic-getting, list-building, money-making quizzes. Step 1. Choose a quiz template. Step 2. Customize it. Step 3. Share it on your website or social media. Then sit back and watch as people start taking your quiz, giving you their emails, buying your stuff, and sharing your quiz with their friends. Quiz Target creates any type of quiz you need in just a few clicks. Funnel quizzes that show people specific questions, offers, affiliate links, or content based on their answers. Sales quizzes that turns your quiz into a virtual sales representative that asks all the right questions and presents people with the solution that's right for them. Lead gen quizzes that capture people's emails before showing their results. Feedback quizzes that allows you to see what your customers really think. Market research quizzes that allows you to discover what your market really wants to buy. Pre-launch quizzes that allows you to build a massive pre-launch list. Based on their answers, you can show targeted product offers and watch your sales blow up on launch day. Whatever type of quiz you can imagine, QuizTarget will create it in seconds. There are no monthly fees, no watermarks, no hidden costs, and no steep learning curves. And it's packed with powerful features to get you results today, including Pro Templates, done-for-you quiz campaigns, Quiz Mind Map Designer, Drag and Drop Editor, Quiz Engagement Boosters, Quiz Logic Branching. Plus, you can create any type of quiz you can imagine, embed on any website or landing page, share it on social media, earn cash from ads, offers, and affiliate links right inside your quiz, segment your leads, run detailed reporting, and much more. After spending thousands of dollars and several years figuring out the best way to build lists, the moment we started using quizzes, things really began to change for us. And it's not just us. Quizzes are quickly becoming the #1 list building tactic in 2020 and beyond. No wonder the top brands and marketers are using quizzes to generate hot leads today. Do you know why? Because they work and generate leads super fast. And unlike other quiz makers that cost hundreds of dollars, suck you into monthly fees, are complicated, or just don't work at all, QuizTarget makes it easy. Whether you're an affiliate, local marketer, agency, product launcher, e-com business owner, freelancer, or lead gen expert, QuizTarget will allow you to build lists and make money faster and easier than ever before. Now you can make any kind of quiz you can imagine so that you can build your hot lists, earn affiliate paychecks, cash in from hungry clients, get more webinar signups, or even collect advertising revenue. So, isn't it time you stopped killing yourself trying to build a list and make money the hard way? With QuizTarget, it takes just 5 minutes to create a quiz that could triple your opt-ins and sales overnight. So why wait? QuizTarget is guaranteed to get you results, or it's free. It works for any niche, it works for any business model, and it will work for you, guaranteed. Grab your QuizTarget commercial license today and stop wasting time and money building your list the hard way. There is simply nothing more powerful for building your list than quizzes. No coding or design skills required, no steep learning curves, no third-party watermarks, no need to hire experts. So, let's quickly recap on what you're getting with QuizTarget today. Groundbreaking quiz creator, allowing you to create any type of quiz you can imagine in under 5 minutes. Plus, hundreds of plug-and-play quizzes that are proven to bring in subscribers, leads, and sales like never before. And a huge media library, allowing you to customize your quizzes with images, graphics, videos, and music to boost engagement and grow your list faster than ever. You're also getting our breakthrough Quiz Mind Map Designer, allowing you to map out your quizzes with Drag and Drop Designer to plan perfect flows that convert like crazy. Get tons of quiz engagement boosters, including timers, call to actions, transition effects, sound, emojis, GIFs, and much more from our built-in media library. And the killer Video Quiz Builder to explode your engagement with breakthrough video quizzes. Ask questions via video and have people answer on the screen. Plus, 24/7 support, step-by-step training material, and a powerful dashboard where you can create in-depth reports and so much more. We're 100% convinced you're going to love how easily you can create list-building, money-making quizzes with QuizTarget in minutes. But if you don't agree, we're offering you a full 30-day money-back guarantee. Don't wait until it's too late. Secure your QuizTarget commercial license now before the price shoots up or we close the doors completely on this incredible, one-time only deal.